Hello guys, welcome to all again. In this session we are going to learn a solution for the common problem that we faced during our MEP elements quantity takeoff time. So in this drawing we use for HVAC systems quantity takeoff. Before start this quantity takeoff, we have to fully understand the legends of this drawing. You can see here there are a lot of items involved in the HVAC system. So now I am going to focus with these two items, the VCD volume control damper and RVD round volume dampers. So we know very well the dampers we use for control the airflow through the ductwork. Especially in this VCD will be fixed in the rectangular ductwork, but the RVD fixed circular or flexible ductwork. We should be understand these two important concepts first. Alright, before discuss further, I will show these two elements through this 3D model. You can see here we already discussed something in the previous sessions also. There are four main types of ductwork based on the POMI, Principle of Measurement International. So the first one is the rectangular ductwork, the second one is the oval ductwork, the third one is the circular ductwork, the fourth one is the flexible ductwork. So there are four main ductwork, and also my main intention is to visualize the dampers. You can see here the dampers, the real picture is here. The main function of this damper is to control the air volume inside the ductwork. So this one is the general VCD volume control damper. So we have another one thing is round volume dampers. Round volume dampers generally fix the circular and flexible ductwork. So you can see here the round volume control dampers, the appearance of these elements. The problem is you can see here in this drawing they clearly mention the VCD, the icon is look like this, and RVD icon is it's look like this. And also we know some technical idea, this VCD, the general VCD fixed for the rectangular ductwork and RVD fixed for the circular or flexible ductwork. So based on this technical idea, now let's move to the drawing. You can see here they mention very clearly the VCD, they fix like they mention like this, the VCD and also the icon. Okay, and you can see here they mention VCD and icon, right? Now the problem is you can see in this portion area they provide very clearly the VCD notation, okay, VCD icon here, but they did not provide the VCD abbreviation here, but they mention as a VCD abbreviation here. And also the same concept you can see they put another VCD abbreviation here, but there is a two VCD notation. And also you can find out another VCD notation, but they put VCD here. So the problem is some of MEP quantity surveyors confused based on this improper way notation and abbreviation during the quantity takeoff. Sometimes they consider these all are the VCD, so they count all this notation and abbreviation. So this is very wrong practice. As a technical MEP quantity surveyor, we should be aware in this problem, and also during our quantity takeoff time we must focus through the ductwork, not for the outside area. So for the volume control damper we focus through this ductwork, then you can identify the volume notation through this ductwork. You can count 1, and also you can count 2 and 3 and 4, and if you come through this way you can find out another VCD notation. So in this area you can find out 5 volume control dampers. If you are not as a technical MEP quantity surveyor, sometime you took all these item as a volume control damper. So this is very wrong practice. Apart from this, we discuss RVD, round volume dampers. So the round volume dampers only for fixing the circular and flexible ductwork. You can see here the round the flexible ductwork appearance, it's look like this in this drawing. And also they provide the RVD notation here, but they did not provide the RVD like RVD abbreviation. They did not provide. So based on this scenario or situation, we have to aware very carefully. Some people they missed in this item through the drawing because they don't have the very proper technical knowledge where we fix in the RVD. But as a technical MEP quantity surveyor, they know the RVD is fixed only the flexible ductwork and circular ductwork. They reach the drawing and find out the flexible ductwork, and they will start the quantity takeoff for the RVD. And you can see here there is another RVD here. So each and every flexible duct works, we can find out the RVD. So not only for the VCD and RVD, you can see here there's a lot of items involved in the HVAC system, so you have to very carefully identify this each and every item in the drawing. So you have to very proper knowledge before start the quantity takeoff.